Introducing Winn's Plumbing, your trusted plumbing services in Charlotte and beyond. With over 20 years of experience, we offer a range of services to meet all your plumbing needs. From water heater repair to tankless water heater installation, our expert team is here to help. We're proud to serve home and business owners, offering quality service and a range of discounts. Your home deserves great care, so call our professional team at Winn's Plumbing today.
Winn's Plumbing, your trusted partner for exceptional plumbing services. Welcome to Winn's Plumbing, where excellence meets reliability. At Winn's Plumbing, we understand the importance of a smoothly running home, and we're here to ensure your plumbing needs are met with precision and care. From leaky faucets to complete plumbing installations, Winn's Plumbing is your go-to partner for all things plumbing. Our team of skilled and certified plumbers is dedicated to delivering top-notch services tailored to meet your specific needs. What sets us apart? It's not just the wrenches and pipes. It's our commitment to professionalism, expertise, and customer satisfaction. Our plumbers are not just skilled technicians, they're friendly, reliable, and ready to tackle any plumbing challenge that comes their way. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied customers have to say about Winn's Plumbing. Plumbing emergencies can happen at any time, day or night. When you're facing a plumbing crisis, you can count on us to be there swiftly to fix the issue and bring peace back to your home. We believe in using only the best materials to ensure lasting results. At Winn's Plumbing, quality is non-negotiable. When you choose us, you're choosing durability and reliability for your plumbing systems. Winn's Plumbing, your trusted partner for all your plumbing needs. Contact us today for exceptional service that goes beyond expectations. 980-217-1113. Because when it comes to plumbing, we're not just fixing pipes, we're building relationships. Winn's Plumbing, where excellence flows.
Good afternoon. At Winn's Plumbing, we offer solutions to water heater problems. In this case, they had a problem, which was a water heater leaking that was located in the garage. It required some upgrades: thermal expansion tank, new water heater stand. Basic installation, installed by a licensed and insured professional. We offer multiple solutions to a lot of plumbing problems. You can visit more at our website, www.winnsplumbing.com. What's up, everybody? Basic water heater installation. We added a new water heater stand because the diameter of the water heater is now larger, which now made our water heater shorter because the other stand might have been a little bit taller, or the water heater is a little bit shorter compared to the other one. And now our flue does not line up. If we light this water heater, it will release carbon monoxide into the garage, and then it is going to be a no-go. So make a trip to the hardware store, come back and wrap up.
Introducing Winn's Plumbing, your trusted plumbing partner in Charlotte and surrounding areas. With over 20 years of experience, We offer a complete range of plumbing services, including water heaters, tankless water heaters, gas piping, and drain cleaning. At Winn's Plumbing, we take pride in our quality service, expertly trained technicians, and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call us today at 980-217-1113 or visit winnsplumbing.com. Experience the reliability and professionalism of Winn's Plumbing. Your plumbing needs, our priority.